Hey everybody, little update. Still got to replace the doghouse. But I'll have a light on the front of the doghouse, and I'll have a light on the back of the doghouse, and then I'll have some for out here on the location. But I got it lit up. Got LEDs strung up through the derrick. Still got to finish my ladders to the crown. Got my handrails painted blue. I got some more handrails I got to find. I know I got some I got from Jack Jack, and finish out my handrails. And I got to find another staircase to put at this end. But I'll give you a backed up view of it. It's brighter on video than it is in person. That's what it looks like. I gotta get some pipe in the derrick. Later.